Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Dry Down. Today we have an unboxing of the new Jacques Marie Mage of Los Angeles Marbot in silver 2 color. The Marbot is the latest addition to the titanium series. It's a well-balanced unisex octagonal lens shape and a double wire rim. As far as this frame goes, it is a frame that they've come to bolster the uniqueness of their titanium designs, as well as the architectural and sculptural beauty in which the titanium can be enhanced with different dual tone colors. This here is a silver 100% beta titanium frame with denim blue gradient lenses. It has a silver hidden hinge, dark gold back eye rim, custom nose pads with the logo. Also, the temples have a gold hairline engraving. The denim gradient lenses are CR39, which is a great lens for anti-reflective as far as UV protection. It is a 4-base lens with the back anti-reflective treatment. The size is medium. On this particular frame, the temple length is 145 millimeters. Frame total width is 136 millimeters. The lens width is 48 millimeters. Lens height is 39 millimeters. And the bridge is 22 millimeters. Beautiful frame for medium-sized faces. It comes packaged with the Longhorn hard shell case, dust cloth, certificate of authenticity, and the number series in which you've gotten.